How to pack light for a 2-week trip. Number 1. Plan outfits. The cornerstone of light packing is a well-planned capsule wardrobe. Instead of packing individual items, plan complete outfits. Choose a neutral color palette that allows for easy mixing and matching. Number 2. Pack essentials. Identify absolute essentials. Consider multipurpose items that reduce the number of individual items. For example, toiletries, electronics, medications, and documents. Be ruthless in evaluating what you truly need versus what you want. Number 3. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are invaluable for organizing and compressing clothing. They maximize space within your luggage and keep items separated and wrinkle-free. Consider using different sized cubes for different categories of clothing. Number 4. Limit shoes. Shoes are bulky and heavy. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 pairs maximum. For example, comfortable walking shoes, versatile casual shoes, or dress shoes. Wear your bulkiest shoes on the plane to save space in your luggage.